Hello friends, welcome back. Now, I want to ask you something. Have you ever sat quietly at the kitchen table, looked at your savings, and thought to yourself, is this enough? Will I be okay? If you have, you are not alone. I hear this from so many of you. Today, my friends, we are going to answer that question honestly. No guessing. No false promises. Just simple, real numbers, explained the way I would explain them to my own family. By the end of this video, you will know 5 simple, safe strategies that can help your $700,000 work harder for you, so you can retire with confidence and peace of mind. So make yourself a cup of tea, and let's begin. Now before we start, I want to be honest with you, as I always am. I am not a certified financial planner. Everything I share with you today is based on publicly available information from the Government of Canada, real math, and years of studying what actually works for Canadian seniors. For your personal situation, please always speak with a licensed financial advisor. What I can do is give you the knowledge, so when you walk into that advisor's office, you already know the right questions to ask. That is my gift to you today. Now, let's talk about $700,000. It sounds like a lot of money. And it is a lot of money. You worked hard for every single dollar of it. But the question is not just how much you have saved, the question is, how do you make it last? And that is exactly what these 5 strategies are about. Strategy number 1 is simply this: know your real monthly income. Most people look at their savings and think that is all they have. But my friend, that is not true. As a Canadian senior, you likely have more income coming to you than you realize. Here is what I mean. The Government of Canada provides 2 very important benefits: CPP, which is the Canada Pension Plan, and OAS, which is Old Age Security. The average CPP payment right now is around $758 a month. If you contributed well during your working years, it could be as high as $1,364. OAS adds another $698 per month at age 65. So before you touch even $1 of your savings, a couple could already be receiving close to $3,000 a month from the government. Now that changes everything. The real benefit here? You can stretch your $700,000 much further, because it does not have to carry the full burden alone. Please check your personal CPP estimate on my Service Canada account. It takes about 5 minutes and it is completely free. Strategy number 2 is understanding something called the 4% rule. Now do not let that sound complicated. It is actually very simple. This rule says, in your first year of retirement, you withdraw 4% of your savings. Then each year after that, you adjust slightly for inflation. 4% of $700,000 is $28,000 per year. That is about $2,333 every month. Now, combined with your CPP and OAS, a retired couple could have over $5,000 a month in total income. That is over $60,000 a year. For many parts of Canada, that is a genuinely comfortable retirement. But here is my honest word of caution, my friend. This rule works best when your money is invested, not sitting in a savings account earning almost nothing while inflation eats it quietly. The real benefit of this strategy is that it gives you a safe withdrawal plan. You are not guessing how much to take out each month. You have a calm, structured approach. Talk to your advisor about what withdrawal rate makes sense for your personal situation. Strategy number 3, and this one is very important, is protecting your savings from inflation. Now, inflation is a quiet thief, my friends. It does not knock on your door. It just slowly, quietly, reduces the value of your money every single year. In Canada, inflation averages around 2 to 3% per year over the long term. That means that $5,000 today will feel more like $3,500 in 15 years. Your groceries cost more. Your heating bill goes up. Your medications become more expensive. This is simply the reality. So what do? You make sure your savings are working for you, invested in a balanced portfolio that is appropriate for your age and your comfort with risk. Not too aggressive, not too conservative. The real benefit here is peace of mind. When your money grows with inflation, it does not slowly disappear. It stays strong. A licensed financial advisor can help you find the right balance between safety and growth. Please do not skip this step. Strategy number 4 is one that I personally love to talk about. It is the TFSA, the tax-free savings account. My friends, if you are a Canadian senior and you are not maximizing your TFSA, you may be leaving thousands of dollars behind. Here is why this matters so much. Inside a TFSA, your money grows completely tax-free. When you take money out, you pay zero tax on it. Not a penny goes to the government. Every dollar of growth is yours to keep. Now imagine your $700,000 is sitting inside a TFSA. Every year it earns returns, all of that stays with you. No tax bill in April. No impact on your OAS. No clawback worries. Let me give you a simple example. If Bob and Linda have $200,000 each and their TFSAs earning a modest 5% per year, they earn $20,000, completely tax-free. That is money that stays in the family. The real benefit? Your retirement income goes further, because less of it goes to taxes. Talk to your advisor about how to maximize your TFSA contribution room, especially if you have never fully contributed before. And strategy number 5 is perhaps the most important of all. It is simply this: plan for a long life. I know that sounds obvious, but you would be surprised how many people plan only for 10 or 15 years of retirement, when in reality, many of us live much, much longer. In Canada today, women live on average to age 84. Men, to around 80. But many of our friends and family members are living well into their 90s. If you retire at 65 and live to 92, that is 27 years your money must last. Now here is the reassuring truth. $700,000 over 27 years, with a 4% withdrawal strategy, and with CPP and OAS supporting you, is absolutely manageable. Many people do it comfortably. But it requires a plan. A calm, thoughtful, realistic plan. Think about your health costs. Think about whether you want to leave something for your children. Think about travel and the things that make your retirement joyful. The real benefit of this strategy? You retire with confidence, not fear. Because you have looked at the numbers honestly, and you know you are prepared. Your certified financial planner can help you build a personalized longevity plan. Please do not leave this to chance. Now, my friends, before I give you the recap, I want to say something important. Everything I have shared today is honest, educational information. But every person's situation is different. Your health, your family, your province, your pension, all of these things matter. Please, do not make major financial decisions based on a YouTube video alone. Speak with a licensed financial planner. Many offer a free first meeting. It is worth every minute of your time. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult a licensed advisor for your personal retirement plan. So let us bring it all together, my friends. Today we covered 5 simple, safe strategies to make your $700,000 work for you in retirement. Strategy 1. Know your real monthly income, CPP OAS, and your savings together. Strategy 2. Use the 4% rule as your calm withdrawal guide. Strategy 3. Protect your savings from inflation by keeping money invested wisely. Strategy 4. Use your TFSA like the retirement superpower it truly is. Strategy 5. Plan for a long life, because you deserve a long and happy retirement. Now I have a small question for you, my friend. Which one of these 5 strategies are you going to look at first? Write it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other Canadian seniors find this information when they need it most. Subscribe to Senior Wealth Wisdom, so you never miss our next video. Coming up next, at what age should you start CPP? The decision that could change everything. Until then, my friends, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And remember, You worked hard for this money. You deserve to enjoy it.